knew about it because when I was sitting in that bogie, in AC bogie, C2 or C1, I think C2, I think so, and TTI came and they checked the ticket. After that, he recognized them, right? They are loco pilot because they have a dress code, right? And
Yeah.
knowingly, he asked them, "You show your ticket. Why you enter in this AC buggy?" They told him, "I get out from next station and it is a 5 kilometer and please I'm here because due to summer." Then no, you leave the seat and this is a public, the passenger, they booked the seat and you cannot sit here. This kind of.
No, but if he has already allotted seat to some
Right,
any passenger, so
right.
then loco pilot should not seat.
Right. That kind of incident happened inside. But argument also was going little bit argument. But that TTI recording everything and asked what he asked and record, and he sent the, I think in higher authority or police personnel in SP, like a railway SP or something. After that next station they automatic caught their luggage and they left that seat and they go elsewhere, I think so, because
Yeah.
they think why we keep on fighting with that person, and maybe it is a, because they are going to, I think so, duty. They were also in dress code, loco pilot dress code. Yeah, that is a happen,
So
right? Yeah,
so
tell me.
you live in Puri? Where do you live?
No, I am not living Puri, but it is so far from my place. But I have
Oh,
been many times. I think you visited one time, right? Did you visit
yeah.
one
I
time?
visited once Puri.
Okay, one time. Did you take it prasad?
Yeah, I no, I did not take it prasad.
Okay.
Is it famous?
Of course, definitely. People they go for visiting Puri Jagannath temple. They uh, take that prasad. That is, yeah. It is not mandatory, but people they have it, right? Then did you take blaze from Jagannath temple? Did you see
Yeah, I have blazed.
Lord Jagannath?
Blaze means like, yeah, I have seen.
Okay.
I have seen the Jagannath temple, but it did not take prasad. I have heard about that. Yeah, the prasad is very famous.
Yeah.
Do they charge anything for the prasad or it is free?
No, it is not free. Charge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or I think lots of people in there, right, inside. It is not easy to go and you visit and you take bliss from Lord Jagannath and you come back. Not easy, it is not easy, right? So many
Yeah, it's
people
not easy.
daily come and goes. So many India people they come, and this winter season so rush.
Mm-hmm.
If you think I
Yeah,
go and I visit and I take bliss from Lord Jagannath and I come back, it is not possible. You have to wait long time, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
yes. So
But
what about you? Where have you visited so far?
I have been visited, I think, 6, 7 times, more than 6, 7 times. If I go there, that nearest from Bhubaneswar or something, then definitely we people go there to visit.
Mm.
Yeah,
Okay.
and beach, Puri beach. Did you
Yeah,
visit in
Jagannath
there?
Puri, yeah, Puri beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have been to Puri beach.
Yeah, that is also so nice place, right?
The tide were very high during that
Ah,
day.
right. Summer season, little bit you see all people in beside there, right? Winter season also, but
Yeah.
summer season special. People they go there and they visit, and you see also Konark, right?
Yeah, I have also visited Konark temple.
Okay, you
That
see
is also
only,
very.
you see only Konark and Jagannath temple. And which place have you been, Chilka? Chilika Lake?
Chilka, no.
No.
No, I haven't been to Chilka.
Okay, if you come once again in Odisha, then definitely you go there also. Udayagiri, Khandagiri, Lingaraj temple. You have to visit also Lingaraj
Mm-hmm.
temple
Mm-hmm.
because
Yeah,
that.
yesterday you told me that Lingaraj temple is also famous. I
But
will try, like whenever I will come.
it is situated in Bhubaneswar. Yeah.
Okay.
Or Puri Jagannath temple and Konark is situated in Puri.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then
Sure, I will try to visit.
definitely, because you are working in railway department, then it is sometime you get a chance to go different state, right? Then in case in
Mm-hmm.
future, if you get any kind of professional work in Odisha, then
Mm-hmm.
definitely you should visit in there. And you tell
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
which place is famous in MP?
Yeah, in MP you can visit to the Mandav,
Okay.
and you can visit to Khajuraho and
Hmm.
Omkareshwar and Mahakaleshwar, Ujjain.
Okay, that is a, in MP, right? That is a famous.
Yes.
Yeah, Ujjasan, that is a
Yes.
famous in Kali temple, right?
No, it is famous for the Mahadev temple, Shivji
Mahadev.
temple.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I have
And
read from history book, Ujjain or
uh,
what you spoke in different place?
Omkareshwar.
Ha, right. Historical place, at least we should read also in history and we know about different state historical places, right?
So, do you read any book for the history?
Yeah, before I study also, and sometime I read books also. Not sometime I try to read regularly, 1 2 pages, but sometime I don't get chance to read also. But I read at least 1 page daily, not that much.
Yeah.
Sometime if I
So,
get
what
time,
kind
then
of book?
self-help
Which
books
kind of book
also.
do you?
Self-help books
Uh,
also, fiction, non-fiction, both.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
This day also I bought a 2 3 books. I started
Mhm.
also, but
So, when do you read? Do you read in the morning or at night
no,
before sleeping?
night time, night time,
Mm-hmm.
night time.
Okay.
Morning time I cannot read it because I don't get time, but evening time I do it. If I come to ST and no one here, then I go here and there. After that, I started reading. If I don't get anyone to means talking or chatting, then I switch my mobile, otherwise I start reading any type of book. I have lots of
So, in
book.
morning, where do you get busy?
Yeah, morning time, everyone busy, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Not only me,
Yeah,
right?
because you have to. Mm-hmm.
Then
Yeah.
in morning time you also never come in HT, right? I saw maximum
Yeah.
evening time you
Yeah.
come in HT and you,
ST.
yeah, HT and you interact with people. I think how long have you
Mm-hmm.
been using this platform?
I've been using this platform since 1 year.
Since 1 year. Okay, but not a regular
And
user,
you?
right? I have been
Yeah,
using
I'm
this
not a
platform
regular.
more than 2 years, I think so.
Oh,
But
okay.
sometime I uh, never use continuously 10 days, 20 days, this kind of. Once again I active here, once again inactive here. This kind of I completed more than 2 years, I think so.
So why do
Before,
you do this kind of?
pardon?
Why do you sit? Come after 10 days or 20 days?
If I have any work, then I never enter this HT.
Mhm.
If I get time,
So
free
generally,
time, then
at what time do you come on HT?
after 7:30, 7, that is a fixed time for me. Sometime I come early. but
Mm-hmm.
not before 6:30. I come
Okay.
6:30 or 7. Sometime I come 8:30. This kind of, not a fixed time. According to my work or different thing, I do it. Then I don't enter in the HT. I
Mm-hmm.
think you are also not a regular user, right?
Yeah, I'm also not a regular user.
Yeah, if you get free time, then you use. Then I think you are not working in your same district, right? So far from your district.
Yeah, I mean, not so far. I mean, it is just 150 kilometer away.
150 also long distance, right?
Mm-hmm.
Long distance
Yeah.
means you cannot up down daily from your home to your office,
Mm. Yes.
right? You have to stay in your office. I mean to say nearest from office or that place. That is a
Mm.
good. Otherwise, 150 also it is not possible. Around 30 kilometers, then people they go and come their home. Otherwise,
Mm.
it is not possible, right?
Yeah. So how did you get to know about this application?
I get this. I knew this platform from YouTube video. And you?
I searched on the chat GPT. That is it.
Okay.
We can talk.
Okay. Then he
So,
suggested you to join this platform, right?
mhm.
Okay.
So
I pardon.
have you used any other application?
Other application, you know, as fluency, right?